Is the default WordPress search function hurting your website, sales, and user experience? The truth is, standard WordPress search is slow, basic, and often fails to show your visitors what they actually want to find. When users can't find your content or products instantly, they leave your site and go to your competitors. In this video, we are diving into a game-changing WordPress search plugin that fixes this exact problem. Whether you run a busy blog, an e-commerce shop, or a business website, this tutorial is designed completely for beginners. By the end of this short video, you will know how to set up an advanced, lightning-fast search engine on your site without touching a single line of code. Let's look at exactly what you get right out of the box with the free version of the ThemeHunk Advanced Product Search plugin. Live AJAX Search. Stop making users reload pages. With Live AJAX Search, beautiful results with images and prices appear instantly as customers type, getting them to check out in under a second. Fuzzy search and synonym. Typos kill sales. This plugin fixes typos automatically with fuzzy matching and connects synonyms so searching for a couch still brings up your sofas. Analytics dashboard. See exactly what customers want. The backend dashboard tracks trending keywords and empty searches, showing you exactly what products to add next to grow your sales. Voice search. Make mobile shopping effortless. Shoppers can tap the built-in microphone icon, speak naturally, and search your entire store completely hands-free. Deep customization. No coding needed. Choose from multiple layouts and completely customize colors, fonts, and image sizes to make the search bar blend seamlessly with your theme. Setting this up takes less than a minute. Just head over to your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, and click on Add Plugin. Search for Advanced Product Search. Hit Install and click Activate to instantly upgrade your website's search engine. Once activated, a new menu will appear in your sidebar. Simply hover over ThemeHunk, click on Advanced Product Search, and this will open up your main plugin dashboard where we can configure all the settings. Inside the Integration tab, you can add your new search bar anywhere on your site using simple shortcodes. For a clean, traditional look, just click Copy next to the default search bar shortcode. If you prefer a more modern style, use the second shortcode to display a sleek, updated search bar that includes a built-in search icon right inside the input field. And for advanced developers, the plugin provides a clean PHP template tag so you can hardcode the search engine directly into your theme files. Next, navigate to the Basic Setting tab. Here, you can control the core behavior of your search bar, like setting the minimum characters required to trigger results and adjusting the exact pixel width so it perfectly fits your website layout. You can easily toggle a dedicated Submit button on or off, customize its text label, and change the placeholder text that guides your users on what to type. At the bottom, you will find the loader settings, where you can choose to enable or disable a smooth loading animation during live search queries. Under Interface Overlay, you'll find the Focus Overlay feature. Enabling this toggle automatically dims the rest of your website background the moment a customer clicks the search bar. Moving to Advanced Setting, you can refine your autocomplete drop-down behavior. Here, choose your search type to filter for specific items. Cap the total number of suggestions using the limit field, and manage word count with description length. Most importantly, you can toggle Enable Voice Search right here to add an ultra-convenient microphone search button to your front-end menu. Further down, you can customize your live drop-down content. In the Search Category section, you can toggle category names and images on or off. Under Product Settings, use the simple switches to instantly display product images and live pricing in your search results, making it easy for customers to spot what they want. Next, use the visuals in product switches to showcase special item details like sale badges, featured tags, and stock availability directly in the results dropdown. Right below that, you can manage how content from your standard blog posts and website pages displays, giving you full control over text descriptions and featured images. Here you can set whether to display the page image and description with these toggle switches. Under the Style tab, you have complete control over the visual branding of your search engine. The options are divided cleanly into two parts. The search bar section at the top handles your main entry fields and button colors, while the suggestion box section below lets you restyle the active drop-down overlay. Next, navigate to the Search Analytics tab. This section allows you to connect your website search bar directly to Google Analytics by dropping a quick line of PHP code into your theme's functions file, giving you the power to monitor real-time user behavior, track conversions, and see exactly what products your shoppers are looking for. Now click on Search Configure to control your store's search scope. Here, you can toggle exactly how the plugin indexes your catalog, allowing users to find items not just by title, but by deep searching through product categories, tags, brands, attributes, descriptions, and SKU codes to ensure they never hit a dead end. Now that we have covered all the incredible foundation settings, it is time to unlock the full power of this search engine. Let's click the upgrade button at the top to activate the Pro version and scroll down to take a look at the premium features that will skyrocket your store's conversions. Or just click on Get Started button. It will take you to pricing. Choose your plan and complete the process. After purchasing the plugin, log into your ThemeHunk members area and download the Advanced Search Pro plugin zip file directly to your computer. Once the download finishes, head right back over to your WordPress dashboard so we can get it installed. Go to Plugins and click on Add Plugin. Click on Upload Plugin. Upload your Advanced Product Search Pro plugin here. Install and activate it. Open the Search Plugin dashboard now. Now that we have upgraded to Search Pro, a suite of advanced features is officially ready to use. In your sidebar, you will see powerful new options unlocked. In the free version, you can only toggle the default visual loader animation on or off. Upgrading to the Pro version unlocks the custom loader icon feature, which allows you to upload your own branded spinner file or custom GIF to match your theme perfectly. With the free version, the autocomplete search is restricted purely to your product catalog. Upgrading to the Pro version unlocks the ability to toggle on post and pages types, allowing your customers to search content simultaneously. The free version lets you toggle on the Show Category option to display categories in the Results dropdown. Upgrading to Pro unlocks the Advanced Category filter for your search bar and the Exclude Category feature, allowing you to hide specific product groups from showing up in search results entirely. Now, the Suggested and Trending Searches feature is unlocked. This premium feature allows you to choose exactly how terms are recommended. Selecting specific allows you to manually type in your own targeted keywords, while switching it to popular dynamically pulls the most frequently searched terms automatically based on real user data from your store. Under the Product Style Settings menu, you can easily change your overall layout by clicking the Search Style dropdown to toggle between the default, traditional, or modern pre-built templates. Any style layout you select instantly refreshes right here on the right-hand panel inside the Live Search Preview box, so you can visually check the design before applying it to your store. Right below the Layout selector, you can manage exactly what elements show up inside your Live dropdown. You gain individual control over every visual element on your site, allowing you to custom match unique brand color schemes across your main search bar, your highlighted trending keywords, the outer suggestion box overlay, and individual product grid text elements. Next, navigate to the Boost Search tab for search optimization. This premium interface lets you manage and rebuild your catalog tables. Simply click the blue Build Search Index button to refresh your database, so newly added products are instantly searchable. And use the Index Batch Limit field to adjust how many products process at once to keep your server running at peak speeds. Now open the Fuzzy Strings and Synonyms tab to fine-tune your search accuracy. You can adjust the exact matching sensitivity slider to control how strictly spelling mistakes are processed, and use the Define Synonyms box to type in comma-separated terms like sofa, couch, to connect related products effortlessly. Next, check out the Search Queries dashboard, which tracks what users type on the front end. This premium logging system generates an in-depth data table showing every specific keyword searched, how many hits it received, the unique search ID, and the exact timestamp of the query. Finally, we have the Reset All Setting tab. If you ever want a fresh start, clicking the red Reset Settings button instantly clears everything. Be careful though, this permanently deletes all your custom styles, colors, and search behavior logic, restoring the entire plugin back to its default factory values. Lastly, if you ever run into issues, click on the Help tab. This opens up direct links to the official plugin documentation so you can learn advanced customization tricks, as well as a quick contact support button to reach out directly to the developer team whenever you need technical assistance. After all, click on Save button to save all your settings. Now let's test our plugin live on the website. The second I click inside the search box, our trending keywords instantly appear, and the entire web page background smoothly dims out to remove distractions. As I start typing, the ultra-fast AJAX dropdown pulls up high-res images, pricing details, and even our brand new Add to Cart button. The button instantly adds the product to cart. We can even tap the microphone icon to execute an effortless, hands-free voice search. Everything works seamlessly, and that is how you transform your basic WordPress search into a high-converting, lightning-fast shopping engine. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more web design tips.